We got another game Friday night. Let's come show up, motivated, 100% every single time. Right? Jackson, 100% every time. We're not walking on the field, we're running, right? Right? Everybody. That's everybody. Show them that we're ready to play, right?
Base running won this game for y'all tonight and listening. Base running. So you guys stole so many bases. I get you on first, and you guys were hustling to second, third, and we got you home. A lot of close plays, but your hustle and your effort got you those runs, and that's essentially what won the game for you.
Had a starting pitcher, first time on the mound, he did us pretty good. He held us to 2 runs, right? And that set the tone for the rest of the game. So tonight, he had some good runs on the base, got a couple runs in for the team. We're handing off to Liam tonight. Good job, Liam. Good job, Liam. Hey, everybody grab a piece of gum. Everybody gets a piece of gum, all right? Grab a piece of gum, and Liam, what are we saying tonight? Teamwork? You can't have gum. All right, I got you. Hey, we got to remember something about for Jackson. All right, hey, come back in. Yeah, hang on. After. Let's go. Hey, hands in, step out.
Let's go.
Hey, hands in, chain legs, hands in. Liam's counting us down. What are we saying, Liam? Teamwork loud on 3.
Teamwork on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Teamwork!